Let's see how to use the editing and organisation options of the top toolbar in Open BIM Layout. The organisation group in the top toolbar contains the necessary tools to control the order of overlapping drawing elements. The Bring to Front and Centre Back options are used to place a selected element first or last among all other overlapping elements. If we need more precise control, we use the Move Forward and Move Backwards options, which move the selected element one place forward or backward. The Compact option reduces the space between the drawing elements as much as possible, whilst maintaining the relative order between them. It can be useful if we have excessively increased the space between the elements through the repeated use of the other options. On the right, we find the options of the Edit group. If we click on the Substitute Texts option, we can find user variables and predefined variables. In order to use user variables, we must first create a variable with the Add option found on the top bar. We write its name in the variable column, and upon doing so, the same text appears between some additional characters in the Use column. We can right-click this cell, choose Copy Cell, and later paste it into a text in our sheet. To give the variable a value, we go back to the Substitute Texts table and write the desired text in the Value column. This way, the program will automatically substitute all of the text in the sheet. The value of the variable can be changed from one file to another, so we will be able to use the same project, location, date, or client variables in different files. To do this, we use the top options bar in order to export, update, and import our variables on the drive and make use of them in other projects. We can also select a variables file to import automatically when creating a new project. In predefined variables, we find some very useful variables, such as sheet number or sheet reference, that take the information from the sheets of our project. They are used in the same way as user variables. All variables can also be incorporated in templates. This way, if we use a template with variables, we can get a title block with the reference of the sheet number or the name of the project. The rest of the options in the Edit group allow previously drawn elements to be modified. The Edit option allows users to change the properties assigned to each one of the elements by clicking on them. To copy, move, rotate, or delete an element, first we select it with the left mouse button, and then we confirm with the right. The Modify Geometry and Redesign options allow users to change the shape of the drawing elements by clicking on their vertices or edges. We can also perform a symmetry of the element or copy with symmetry. To do this, we select the element, and after confirming, we draw the symmetry line. To group or ungroup elements, we use the corresponding options located on the right and draw a box containing the affected elements. The advantage of element groups is that they can be moved, copied, or deleted together. Finally, using the Show Hide Incidents button, we can display the warnings that we must correct before continuing, such as elements appearing outside of the sheet's printable area.